Hello. Let's build some Discord stuff today. Let's get into it. Mm. All right. I'll be looking at the Discord's embedded app SDK. So I'm using Discord, not a huge user of it, but I know of it, and I noticed that they've released this embedded app SDK. So I was curious to take a look what one can build. Yeah, so let's get into it. Let's start building and see how this works. So it looks like there's a public preview. I hope I don't have to sign up for anything. Okay, there's just some limitations. Okay, all right, that's fine. I don't think we'll run into those. Hopefully not. All right, so Discord activities. So the channel is your canvas. Activities are multiplayer games and social experiences in Discord under the hood. Let's make this bigger. Under the hood. An activity is a web app hosted in an iframe within the Discord client. Looks like this. Once a user connects to your activity, your app can request information using Discord APIs and gateway events to build rich interactive experiences for your players. All right, so it looks like this is mainly, just reading this, looks like it's mainly directed to building games, but we'll see. Activities are multiplayer games. All right, social experiences. Yeah, okay. And the activity will be built with the embedded app SDK. So this is what we'll be looking at. SDK handles all the communication. All right, and there's some examples here. So let's take a look at one. Activity we develop, it's putting golf game that you can play with your friend. There are many ways. Whether in a server's voice channel or in a direct message, you can check out activities on Discord for instructions on how to start any activity. All right, so it's basically a game that you can play within Discord. That's how I see this, right? Games into is this voice channels only? I guess it's fine, but join one of the voice channels. Activity launcher. All right, let me open Discord. I do have my own, I guess, Discord. So I'll try to play things in there. There you go. So they're saying to go into voice, so channels. Okay, it might not work because I have. Oh, I disallowed access. Anyway, that's what it is, right? Start an activity. There you go. All right, so then I can. This is like mostly games, I think. So let's pick one. Okay, so all right, so this is connecting. All right, so it's wanting to access my account. Yeah, it's not gonna read me a bedtime story. It cannot read messages or send messages, so it's authorized this. All right, and that's, I guess. Oh, it's still loading. By the way, there's sound. I don't think people on the stream can hear it, but there is some sound here that I can hear in my headphones. It's like a game, pretty much. How does this work? All right, I turn off the sound here. There you go. So how? Oh, maybe it's too. Oh no, there you go. Oh, okay. Oh, so every player has a color or something. I don't know, but anyway, this is the idea, right? So it's you have this activity, this canvas where you can actually play games. And leave the activity. Yeah, was all right. All right, let's see. How do I? Oh, I'm muted anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Oh, here. It's disconnect. Okay. All right. Let's go back. So the embedded app uses RPC API. So Discord and activity, so you can communicate, and they have some guides to help us build the next big thing. So what do we do next? Should we go into the project? Oh, they have a starter. So let's do a starter. Discord activity starter. There we go. I do have an empty project folder that I've created, so I'll use that. I'll update it 20 hours ago. Minimal starter project. Getting an embedded app running in Discord can be complex. All right, this is not encouraging, but okay. The goal is to example take you up and running while making it easy to swap in pieces. Yeah, makes sense. Vite, Vite. How do you pronounce this? Sorry, same configure. Oh, okay. So you can do React, whatever you want, right? Yeah. So it's not okay. I've done React, so I want to do React. I'm thinking this might be React. Yeah, React, and then some state management. We don't care about state management necessarily. Oh, but what is this? Is the rabbit hole of development these days. It's a framework on top of a framework on top of a framework. All right, well, we'll go with this. I'm not gonna. Let's go back to the starter here, and let's see. So what do we have? So let's do a folder. Let's do starter. It's bigger. Okay, I'll do init. So let's see, what do we need? Server. So the server is using Express with TypeScript, so any file can be imported. Okay. Before we write any code, let's follow the instructions here to make sure your Discord app is set up complete. All right, so I have to create an app. I'm assuming register an app with create an app in the developer portal and click create. Where is my developer portal? So while developing, make sure the developer. Where's my developer portal? Probably here somewhere. Oh, so I am logged in. Create a new Discord app. All right, let's see where this is. So Discord developer portal. All right, so there is a URL. There we go. So it's discord.com/developers. Oh, I did have a test app already. So let's do my first Discord activity. Let's call it activity, even though they call it application. But anyway, my first Discord activity, create. All right, my first activity. There you go. Okay, this is a description of my activity. Add app to 5 tags. We'll just do testing. Oh, so we have a public key application ID. This is the approximate number. Okay, and interactions. You can optionally configure an interactions endpoint to receive interactions via posts rather than gateway. Okay, we'll get to that. I don't know what that exactly means right now, but we'll figure it out. So let's save this. Okay, and then we have installation. Choose how users install your app. Yeah, we'll do user install, right? Use our provided. Okay, so there's a provided link. All right, there you go. So this is the link. I'm assuming this is the one that will open Discord, and then it's gonna pop up that authorize the app window. I'm assuming we'll try it. Choose the default scopes. Users can add your app and use it anywhere. I guess so. Yeah. I don't know what guild is, and I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So let's save, and I'm gonna click on the link just to see what happens. Oh, there you go. So this is what I thought. So my first activity. Try it now. Add to server. Okay, so I can add this to my Discord server. During beta, responses are visible only to you in servers with over 25 people. Okay, I think I have over 25 people in mind, but what else is here? Auth. Yep. So we'll probably figure that out. You must specify at least one URI for authentication. Okay, and this is then basically when the user tries to install an app, you can control what access do you want your app to have. Well, the user can decide if they want to give you this access, but this is probably what's going to be listed out, right? So let's say we want identify, yeah, because we want to identify the user. We don't need, I don't know exactly what all these are yet, but we don't want to read the messages. I think OpenID is just a generic stuff as well that gives you like OpenID claims, email name, maybe. Read channels bot. All right, I'll leave that as is. There's no redirect. I don't know if, okay, yeah, so let's do this. What is bot? So bring your app to life on Discord with a bot user. Be a part of a chat, a user server, and interact with them directly. So bring your app, okay. Irreversible. Oh, so I could create a bot for my app, maybe? Let's see, my first activity bot. Let's do it that way. Let's save this. Rich presence. Share your game. This is the default. Chat invites. Might add multiple assets. Okay, I was saying this is when you're, yeah. This is probably when you're advertising your app, I guess. I don't know. Oh, there's monetization as well. That's nice. All right. And then I think getting started. Yep. Yeah. So we have the app. So let's go back to, which one was it? It was this one, right? No. Oh, it was this. Okay. So yeah. So we do all that. Setting up the, you need to create a .env with the, so let's do .env file with my environment variables auth as described here. So let's do that. I'm just gonna switch to this very quickly because I don't know client secret. Yeah, I don't care if you have my client secret for this one, to be completely honest. So let's go back here. So we'll do ID. Let's see, ID client. So let's see what it tells us here. Oh, okay, so this is the client ID, and then the client server. This is from the. I'll close this one. From this window here. So this is our client ID. I'll just call it client ID because it's client. It's not the. Have to do reset. Sure, whatever. What? All right. So it's my client secret. Don't look. Let's go here. I'll reset this. So client secret. All right. So we'll close this. So we have this. In order to add you will need to do the following. Add the key. Okay, that's fine. And then running your app, tunnel solutions such as Cloudflare for local development. Okay, so you can run it locally. That's pretty nice. Okay, so let's do, we need a package.json, right? I'll just copy stuff from here. I could have just cloned the repo, but it seems like there's a lot of other stuff there. And then we have the packages folder, packages. And let's look at the server side for, oh, there's way too many things. Let me clone this, might be easier. Yeah, let's clone this one. And then I can still go and Let's go. I'll go here, clone it. Embedded app SDK. Let's open this one. I'll just copy stuff from into my folder there. So examples, Discord, activity starter. That's easy. This one. So I'll copy. I think I need this. Let's copy it here. Yeah. I need this one. All right. So we have the go underneath this. And I think my env, is my env file still there? Discord app SDK. Yep, it's fine. I don't think I overwritten it. No. Okay. All right. So we have the files there. So let's go back to the README. And so we added the environment variables, and then theoretically we can just go and run stuff. So if I do, oh, I don't think I have pn. No, I don't. Pnpm install. I don't have that. Let's install this PowerShell. Yeah, let's do this one. Should be fast enough. Oh, it's easy. Did it add stuff? Okay, it added stuff. So let's reload. All right, so we have this. Let's go back to this one. So if we do pnpm install, so this will just install all the packages, or maybe not. Oh, I'm in the starter folder. There we go. Pnpm install. Okay, so this is going to bring down everything. That was pretty fast. And then we do pnpm dev. Ooh, okay. Oh, I don't have this Vite thing installed, so let's do that. Get started. CLI. Yeah, I need to install it. Oh, Vite. Vite. All right, that's how we pronounce that. Wait, this should work. No, I don't have it. So let's do install. Oops. Install Vite. Started. Scaffolding. Do I need to do this? Yes. Oh, but this is for a new project. I don't want a new project. Oh, so maybe I do like this, install Vite, and this will, yeah, this will install the CLI. Hopefully, we'll see. It's taking a long time. Anyway, let's go and look at the code. So what will this do? So dev, I probably need this Cloudflare thing as well. So let's find that and install it as well. I think they mentioned, they linked it here. Cloudflare, tunnel. Oh my God, I don't want a Cloudflare account. Can I do this without this Cloudflare thing? So before you can use, you'll complete you need to add a website. Note that today it is possible. Okay. It is possible, but for legacy reasons, you still have to do it. Change your domain name. What? This isn't going well. And this hasn't installed. Let's do G is global, right? Feet. Oh, there you go. All right, so we have that. Let's see if we can run this without like Cloudflare. I don't even know what Cloudflare does, to be honest. So npm dev. So this should work now, or maybe not. npm install. Oh, we did that. Why is this complaining? Failed to load, started packages, client. Oh, it didn't copy everything? Failed to load config, starter, packages, client, vite.config. That it's there. Oh, cannot find module vite. Do you have to do like npm install in each? Probably not, right? Let's do it again. No. I did install. I have package JSON, but it's saying that node modules is missing. It's not. It should be there. Yeah, I have it here. All right, just to be 100% safe. Maybe I messed up something while copying. Let's do. So npm install. I'm now in the SDK repo folder. So let's do that one. Okay. It should have been way easier, I think. Oh, you're saying complete steps here. Yeah, that's fine. We'll go there. npm dev. Will this work? Yeah, so probably I missed something. Never mind. So we can go from here. Let's make this bigger. So this is listening on 3001. So let's see. All right. Let's go back here. Where were we? I think it was here, right? No. No. Let's open it. Let's run it again. Activity examples. Starter. All right. So what does the tunnel then do? Let's go here. Cloudflare tunnel. Doesn't, yeah, well, let's set it up because I'm not gonna scribe here. Oh, they have a different one here. So we have that, setting up project files. Oh, they have a getting started. What the hell? Why am I? So if I go here and clone this one, right? Let's clone this guy. Getting started. Oh, I was already in there. Getting started activity. Front end. Discord client secret. Okay, so that's the, so we'll just copy the .env starter .env to .env here. What? Oh, looks like I lost it. Anyway, getting started. Let's just do that and we'll open .env file. Good that I didn't close it there. That client save whack. Where was it? Let's close this. Let's close this. It was this one, right? Yes. All right. So we have environment variables, prefixing, makes it accessible to the clients. Okay. Let me switch here. So from inside, getting started. So okay, so let's do inside the client, and we'll do npm install. Yep, and then npm run dev. Okay, so it looks like this has started. Yeah, this looks better. All right, so we have hello world here. So if you visit, you'll see vanilla. Yeah, so this is the client. If you open it, there's an index file, index HTML, referencing main.js. That's just, yeah, selecting the app ID here, and then it looks like it's just injecting a div with an image, and that's it. And config here, right? Next, we have to install the SDK. Let's do that. So in the client, I'll keep this running. So we will go inside the client. Oh, getting started and client, and we'll do install embedded SDK. Yep, so that one's done. Okay, then we need to import it and instantiate it to connect it to Discord. So let's go here. So I'll import Discord SDK from app embedded. Yep. And then we need to instantiate it. Discord SDK equals new Discord SDK, and then import. Okay, so this is, I haven't done Vite, but I guess this is the way to import meta environment Vite Discord client to read the environment variable. So Discord, and then what is this? So we have an async function called setup Discord SDK, and what will this one do is this will wait for the Discord SDK to be ready. Okay, and then we're gonna call setup, wait for it to be completed, and then just say, yeah, Discord SDK is ready. So this is just connecting the front end to the SDK. And now, okay, so that's where it's saying once you add the SDK to your app, you will not be able to view your app inside your browser. In the next step, we'll run the app activity inside Discord. All right. In the next step, we'll go over how to view your app in Discord. There. Two repeated things. Do they have a GitHub repo so we can fix this? Maybe they do, but I don't see it. Nah, they don't. There's a typo there. Anyway, where were we? Down here. Okay, so I guess if I would go, what was the page reloaded? What was the URL? 5173. Yeah, so this is not gonna, it's not gonna work. Yeah, it probably doesn't know how to connect. It needs the actual Discord environment. Right? So let's ensure everything is wired up before to run your application. Okay, we'll use ngrok because I have ngrok. So npm run dev, we've done that. And then let's start our network tunnel for port in another terminal window. All right, so ngrok, HTTP, and I think I can do, wait, is it? Oh, 5173, right? I think that's how ngrok works. Let's see this. Yeah. So it's forwarding this URL, right? Publicly accessible URL to my local host to this stuff there. All right, so I guess that's what Cloudflare does as well. So if I would go here, this will now redirect to visit, and this will redirect to my local site. It's not gonna load, but I guess Discord needs a publicly accessible URL. So let's copy that. So set up your URL activity mapping. So let's close this. Let's close this. Let's close this one and go here. Oops. So here we'll set up the mapping in, let's go back, activities. So set up the server. You must set up where your app is hosted. So we go activities. I don't see this. Oh, activities, getting started. Okay, I'll probably have to do get started. Yeah. URL mappings, and then we say root mapping will go to this ngrok thing. So let's save this. Okay, yep, read more. All right, enable developer mode in your client. If you haven't already, go to user setting advanced and toggle developer mode, expose this kind of everything. And I think this is in my Discord itself, right? So let's close this one. Yeah, over here. So if I go where? User settings advanced. Where is that? No, is it here? User settings, yeah. And then we go advanced. Advanced, developer mode, turn it on. I think that's it, right? So this is on. And then now that we're pointing Discord to a local, or we can launch it in Discord. In a voice channel, click on the activities to see your activity at the top of the activity shelf. Okay, so if I go back to, do the escape here, go to the voice channel. Yeah, that's fine. And then we do activity. Ah, there you go. My first activity, it has unlimited participants. So I'm assuming if I click on this, I'll get a pop-up to authorize the activity to access whatever we selected there we want to have access to, and then it will show us that hello thing, right? You're about to test. Yeah, okay, yes, yeah, I trust myself. You cannot launch this activity in a server. Oh, it has to be a server that has less than, bleh. Okay, let's create a new server very quickly. Somewhere, is it here? Yeah. So create my own for me and my friends, Peter J's Discord app testing server. Why not? All right. So now if I go start an activity, my first activity, continue. What? I don't have more than, oh, maybe I'm still connected. Oh, I was still connected to that one. Let's go here. Start an activity. Continue. Yay, look at that. And now I think the hello thing should load here, right? Doesn't look like it, but maybe we should see the logs from down here, right? Reload. Oh, this is just reloading the whole thing. And help desk. Okay. Choose activity. Choose an activity. Yeah, I would expect something to see something here, but let's see. Maybe we're missing some steps. So we have that from the activity. Yeah. We want set up the activity mapping. We've done that. We've enabled that. I like the image. If you like to set it, we're looking. Okay, so authorizing users. To fully authenticate user, you must finally finish implementing our server side. Okay. So we'll use Express. So let's go. I'll move this. Well, I'll just leave it here. And we'll go into. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Let's do this like this. And we'll open another one. And we'll go into getting started. Server this time. See what's in the server. Oh, okay. So it's just a Express app, nothing else. Reads the environment variables. Runs on 3001. It has one endpoint, API token. what it does, it calls out to OAuth2 token and then passes in the client ID and the client secret in order to get back the access token. Yeah, so we get the access token and it returns the access token to the client. And I think in the client, there will be something somewhere. We'll be able to use that access token to npm install to talk to authenticate the user and basically talk to the Discord or get the information about the user from the Discord. Dev, okay. You can now run. Yes. We're almost there. Okay. We now need our client application to communicate with our server, so we can start the OAuth2 process and get the access token. To allow our front-end app to call our Express server, it requires us to set up a proxy for in the docs. Okay, we'll hopefully they'll guide us through this. So we're back in the front end. We'll do auth here. And this doesn't look. We can now make calls. Oh, in the setup Discord. So wait for the Discord to be ready. And then console log. Discord SDK is ready. And then we'll do get the code back and call the Discord SDK commands, authorize, and pass in client ID from the environment variable. We're saying the response type. We went back to code. Oh, extra comma. State prompt none. Scope. All right, so scope is the, remember when I was picking, oh, nice, it does this for us. So we did identify, and I think I did open ID, right? They have guilds here as well, but I don't think I've selected, I don't know. Did I select that one? Don't remember. We'll see. It'll give us an error for sure. Okay, so we're basically calling to Discord backend and saying, hey, authorize us. Here's our client ID. We want to get back the code, and here are the scopes that we want this code to have, so we can use that code later on, or use that access token later on to get the identify and open ID scope. So once we have that, then we can call the backend. That's the server thing here. Right? That's the server thing here. We're calling the backend, sending in the body, the code that we got from here, right? And then we're fine. And this will then exchange, right? The code that we got from this first call, the authorized call. It's going to exchange that code for an actual access token. Going to return us the access token in this response here. And then we'll use that access token and make another call to the Discord SDK commands. Authenticate this time. So we authorized it before. Now we're authenticating and we're passing in the access token that we got. And then over here is just a check, right? If it's null, yeah, well, basically that's right. We'll throw here, right? Throw error, users not authenticated, just to be the same what they have. All right, so now if we relaunch our app, we'll be prompted to authorize. Now we'll get that, yeah. So if I go and open, this is the one. Do I need to refresh or, okay, so let's leave it and then let's do it again. We're not getting prompted, which is weird. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this should prompt us now, but it's not. Okay, so let's join voice. Yeah, it looks like it's not. I'm trying to see the Go back here. Should see something in the logs here, right? Oh, you know what? I think I know what it is. I wonder. Oh, wait, it's HTTPS. I wonder if, because it's, I don't think I did HTTPS there. Let me see. Let me close a couple of windows here. This one, no. Where was it? Oh, there you go. Yeah, so. Oh, it is HTTPS. Maybe? Maybe it doesn't support HTTPS. It's done hiding. Yeah. Because you're unable to. Let's say you want to request to enable reaching it, you'll create a new URL prefix, API and targets. And now you can make request to API and it'll forward it to. Okay. Yeah, but there's target formatting. So it looks like it's HTTPS by default. So it doesn't make any user settings. Debug logs. Okay, so we can look at the debug logs, but this looks right. Just thinking if there's, let's see. Oh, we did. And OpenID, but there was nothing to save here, right? Weird. Settings. No. Art assets, we don't have anything. Yeah, this looks right. I don't know why. Fresh. Okay. To the activity again. Yeah, it's not prompting me, and it's not even loading anything here, right? So it's 5, and this is the 517. Oh, wait. I think this is just, it's cut off. Yeah, it's 5173. So we do have that. Yeah. Yeah, so see, it says hello world. So it does load it. It's loading it. If I would close this here, this will fail, right? There you go. Yeah, so this is fine. So the connection from ngrok to the actual app works fine. That works fine, but let's see why doesn't this work? Oh, now I'll have to change the URL because I restarted ngrok. So let's do this. Save changes. Okay. Yep. Choose an activity. Let's pick it. Continue. Nah, nothing. Let's see where the logs are, right? Where were the logs? They were talking about logs. Activity, no. Advanced. Developer mode is on. So enable test mode. So enter your TWS. No, we don't want that. Someone was mentioning the logs somewhere, right? In one of the docs. Oh, it was here. So user settings, appearance. There you go. Appearance. Where's the developer? I don't see the what? Oh, mobile. Okay. Is this mobile only? View logs. Desktop over to console tab. Oh, okay. Oh, so I would be able to see them in the console in the log, in the browser logs, like here. Oh, there you go. Uh, yeah. All right. That's a good one. Look at this. It's a good way to. Anyone wants to work for Discord. Yeah. So refuse to load. Okay. So let's remove this. Well, I don't think this is the problem necessarily, but let's refresh and we'll see what the errors are. Oh, not this. Okay. So I'll clean this again. Chosen activity. My first activity. Continue. There you go. All right. So unrecognized. Oh, it's course, I think, right? Unrecognized content security policy, prefetch source, refuse to load because it violates the blah, 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 refuse to load the CSS, refuse to load the script. All right. So let's see if we can. This might be ngrok then, but let's see if we can remove these. There's like style in some image, right? So we can remove that, right? And we can just say hello world. And what's in the index? We don't care about the icon. And that's it, right? So let's refresh. I don't know if that's the reason why. My voice, choose an activity. No, so refuse to load style shit. I don't think. Oh, I know what it is. Blech. I know what it is. It's remember when I first opened the URL. Let me see if I can open it in a in the private browser or incognito window. I guess I know. I think I know what it is. It's this. It's freaking this. So set and send an ngrok skip browser running request header with any value, or set a custom. Or I'm not going to upgrade, but to remove this page, set and send an ngrok skip browser warning request header with any value. Oh, how do we? Yeah, or set and send a custom non-standard user request header or upgrade. Let's see. Oh, I can. Let me just. Let's see if I can quickly. Looks like upgrading might be faster than figuring that out. Oh, maybe let's do V, right? Let's see how to bypass. There I go. Fetch to SSNet. Yeah, you can. Yeah. Yeah, so this would be way. Chrome extension. Yeah, that's not going to work because it's going to be Discord making the request, right? So let's see, what is the freaking upgrade? $18 a month, $10. The problem is I don't need this. I'm kind of gonna, yeah, no. Now I'm gonna give you money in Grok. Sorry. Let's do. We'll figure it out. Let's see. So they mentioned. There you go. Oh no. Please be aware. Yeah. Launching. Cloudflare. Let's set up Cloudflare, even though I don't. Okay, this is just Cloudflare table version. Have the display mode only. Okay, so if we go Cloudflare, add a website, change your setup Cloudflare. I don't want to do manage account. Brew install. So we have to install this. I can see how people can get discouraged, especially like someone starting with, I'm not saying web development, but in general, developing anything. It's like there's so many, like we haven't really, you spend what, an hour, almost an hour, just trying to get stuff up and running, right? And installing dependencies left and right, and this and that. And we still don't have anything running, right? So I can see how people would get discouraged very quickly or just lost, right? Um, Once installed, okay, so let me cloudflare.com and I'll just sign up for an account. I'm assuming that's the only thing that I need. I don't think, all right, so free. Yeah, sure, sign up. Oh, do I already have a Cloudflare? I might already have a Cloudflare account. Oh, I do. Look at that. No, I didn't know that. Let's see. So we do have Cloudflared. All right, so what do I have to do to make this work? So set up your first tunnel. To create match, you need to install. Okay, we have that. Okay, if you have an option via the dashboard, via comments, create a dashboard. Okay, we want to do it from the CLI on a Mac. We've downloaded. So we say Cloudflared tunnel login. Okay. Yep. So let's see. Am I logged in here? Yeah, I'm logged in. Open a browser. After logging into here, select your host name. All right, so I don't have a zone, whatever a zone is. So add a website. Oh my God. Let's see. Add a site. So I do have a domain. So I did purchase, like when I saw this SDK, I did opportunistically purchase a domain name for it. So let me, I just log into that account. It's kind of discouraging in a way that, like if someone wants to develop Discord apps, they need like a domain and all these things. I mean, people who are serious about it probably have all that, but anyone like starting out and just want to try it out and get into it, they're not gonna go and set this up. I mean, like register a domain and do all those things. Anyway, I'll add a website. And I think from what I've seen, uh, I think there is the website name that I picked. I think it's appropriate, and it will. All right, so I'm just setting the DNS name servers and stuff. Continue. All right, so let me refresh, and you'll see what the domain name is. There you go. Discord starter kit. That makes sense, right? All right, so let's select this one. Let's authorize it. Fail to authorize. Not part. You don't have access. Please contact support. What the heck? Oh, it's pending something, right? So what is it pending? So open a browser. Probably didn't complete the thing fully, or what? It's not active. The process. Log in. Oh, okay. I have to go. I have to set it up, like hook it up in my domain registrar. Should be fast enough. I'm doing it off screen, but just telling you what I'm doing. I'm basically following. Oh, I'm not gonna show that because there's some IDs there. But they have the instructions in the account, in Cloudflare account, to set up the, I guess, name servers, or basically hook up your hook up that domain name, right? Okay, so I need to find the list of name servers and then add the name servers there. So we're just updating the name servers from my registrar to Cloudflare's name servers, and I'm deleting the other ones. Save changes. Okay. And we can check the name servers. Please wait a few hours for an update. That doesn't look good. Come on. Really? Should be faster than that. Well, maybe I will have to spend $10 to get it to work. Yeah, I can only do one recheck per hour to refresh, I guess. Yeah. Well, that's unfortunate. But let's go and do the I'll do the ngrok because I really want to see this show up here. Uh, and then Cloudflare will probably I have a feeling that once I'm done with the stream, that's when it's going to start working. Um, all right, ngrok. Where is it? ngrok for development, free, personal. There you go. Welcome. Boo. What? Okay. I already have an account. What? Let me. Okay, so I updated my configuration. And not Cloudflare, this one, right? To HTTP, localhost. Yep, okay. I didn't purchase anything. It still shows free. Okay, secure, observe, security, billing. Is it billing? Upgrade now. Yeah, let's do an upgrade. Production, development, personal, monthly. We're just going to do monthly and do $10. That's fine. That's worth it, right? Worth it for an afternoon. Come on. Where's my credit card? There it is. I just make sure I'm not actually sharing my credit card stuff. Okay, I'm not. No. Where was it? Oh, it was here. Subscription. Not gonna narrate the number. Oops. Okay. All right, almost there. Go. Okay, complete purchase, submitting. We'll have the ngrok working now. Yay, there you go. All right. So this should now work. Yes. Let's see. Let's rerun it again. Oh, there you go. Plan personal. Let's also update. Now we'll be cooking with gas or fire or whatever the saying is, right? All right, so let's just find all the windows again. We don't need Cloudflare. I will switch to Cloudflare because that one looks, I could get this thing to work for free. It's just, it's taking longer, right? Where was it? No. Is it here? Oh, it's this one. Yeah. So change this, save changes. Go. So now it should load. $10. It should load. Okay. Choose an activity. My first activity. Continue. What the hell? Why isn't this loading? Why is still... I have upgraded. The hell? I've upgraded. Maybe, I think I know what it is. Maybe I have like two auth tokens in their config file or something. I don't see any. Come on. I'm trying to... Oh, wait. I might have to... No, I have one auth token in there. Let me... ngrok config upgrade. No changes needed. Check. This is the same. Why is this still prompting me? Upgrade to any paid account. I did. Come on, ngrok. Let's see. Wait. So I do have the auth token. So the auth token is the same. Wait. Okay, I'm just going to add another one. Save. Okay, copy and close. Okay, so I added another like auth account. Let's see if this one prompts as well. Oh, this one doesn't. All right, it opened in a different page. Okay, so maybe it was just because I had already like an auth token set up for a free account before. It was still thinking it's a free account. So I've created a new one. It changed well, we had to change the URL. So let's refresh here again. Okay, choose an activity, continue. Show me there you go. All right, that perfect. It only took us an hour. Oh yeah, there we are. So this is so we're accessing, let's go here and explain what's happening again, because it took so long to get it up and running. So the scopes that we're requesting for are identified and OpenID. So identify, I'm assuming, is the profile. Might be username, avatar, and banner, and then OpenID is the profile information. It looks like they add one for fun. Yeah, so let's authorize, and boom, there you go. That's what we have here. So if I would go and say, finally, it works. Save it. There you go. Right. So we basically have like typically when you're doing like web development, front-end development, you have your stuff running in a browser anyway, right? But this time we still have it running in a browser, but we have it running in the Discord, in the context of Discord. So we could now, if we go back to the tutorial, I'm assuming the next step will be to show us how to actually get the information, like the user profile information, for example, right? So let's see. Let's go back down here. Capture. Oh, okay, so you can do logging, opening external links, invite dialogue. All right, so I guess this. I don't think this was the one, right? This wasn't the one. Cloudflare, Cloudflare. Let's close that. Let's close this. Where is it? Was it this one? I'm trying to remember. Might have been this one, right? Yeah, yeah. So we did the auth, and then use the SDK to fetch the channel. Now that we have authenticated the user, we can start interacting with the contextual Discord information, right? So we'll do, what are we going to do? So let's use the SDK to add details about the voice channel that our activity is running in. We can do that by writing a new function. So we'll do append voice channel name. So let's do async, bigger function, and voice channel name. And this is just showing you, I guess, how to interact with the SDK, and then bring this information from the context of the Discord to your app. Oh, hey, Martin. Martin is saying, I thought you don't need ngrok anymore. Yeah. You need ngrok. There's no. You need the context. Well, you need the context of the Discord server. And in order to have the context of the Discord server, you have to run your activity within the Discord server. And in order for Discord to be able to access your application, that has to be running somewhere publicly in this case, or accessible to Discord, you have to do ngrok. Or I think what I could have done is, if I was more familiar with Vite, I could have deployed it to some public URL somewhere, and then use that, and that would have worked as well, right? But I think this is a faster development loop, right? So I don't have to redeploy everything. I just save, and it's going to magically reload it, right? All right, so we're doing document query selector. We're getting the app element, activity channel name unknown. I could have copy pasted, but so requesting the channel in GDMs when the guild ID is null requires the DM channel's read scope, which requires Discord approval. All right. So let's say if Discord SDK dot channel ID. So we already have a channel ID. I guess we can access it, right? If it's not null, it's not null, and Discord dot guild. I don't know what guild ID is. Is not null. Then we can call the channel equals await Discord get channel, and pass in the channel ID is whatever the channel ID is. There go. And then if it's not null, right? Oops. If the name is not null, right? Null, then we set it to that activity channel name to this, right? I'll do log and say channel, and just show all the other stuff that we can get from this object. And then finally, so we get the information, and then we update the data, right? Document, so cost, text tag, document, create element, p, text tag dot text, content equals, you're in the voice channel, blah, 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 app dot append child. I don't like this. I prefer like Next.js. I don't want to be creating elements like these, like this. All right. So, and then in order to append this, we have to go whenever stuff is ready, we can call the append. Right. So if I go back here, I refresh. Actually, it should have been automatic, right? choose an activity, continue. Oh, do I have to do like return here because it's denable, right? So I have to do den, right? Something like this, maybe, but I think that one would work as well. No? What are we missing? So there might be an error somewhere. Oh, there you go. Get channel is not a function. Okay, so get channel. What is it? It's something else? Oh, it's commands, right? Discord dot commands dot get channel. Let's see. You probably have to refresh because it happens. Select an activity. Continue. Authorize. Oh, there you go. Redirect. All right. So redirect URI is missing in the request on COD. Missing redirect. So we haven't set up, I don't think we've set up everything correctly, right? This is what this is telling me in the app configuration, right? Let's go there. So it's saying that we don't have the redirect URI set. And this would be here. Oh, there you go. Identify open ID. Oh, is this where we? I think it should redirect us back to this, right? And then slash API or whatever. No, well, let's see. How do I? Oh, there you go. There you go. What? Oh, it's I want to get this one. Reset. I didn't notice this in the. I didn't notice this in the docs. I'm still not 100% sure that that's the right redirect. Oh, there you go. You must set up. Okay, and then you're going to the location. If you don't have, you should fill in. Oh, okay, so it's just a placeholder. All right. But yeah. Okay, so let's see. Maybe it was just because it's empty. That's why it was failing. So it was in the docs. I missed it. Authorize. Oh, access token is not defined. All right. This might be in either here or this is what I get for not copy pasting code. Access token is not defined. Oh, it's response dot access token, right? Let's do access token, I think, right? Response dot. Oh, we have to do the. Wait, let's. We have to wait for the. Like read the actual JSON, right? There you go. Oh, there you go. Yeah, this is what I missed, of course. Yeah. It's not a copy paste issue. It's me not paying attention issue. All right. But hey, that's how you learn. Or not. Join activity. This one. Continue. Authorize. Come on. Authorize. Where's authorize? No authorize? Oh, users authenticated. There you go. Discord SDK is ready. I just don't see why didn't we get this app? Oh, maybe because we're setting it here. Maybe it might be. Let's see. All right, so this one is doing something else. No. There you go. Append. Is it because we're setting this? I would expect it to, like, I would see the. There's permission denied for something. I don't think that's us though. Saying SDK is ready. User is authenticated. User is authenticated. Authorize. But why didn't I get this channel? Oh, probably maybe there's a different way to log this. Query selector. Pen child. What am I missing? Should work, right? See the dynamic name. Yeah, it should show us. But we did authenticate the user, right? So, well, let's see. So there's the app. Yeah, it looks like it doesn't add anything. This one will work. Yeah, so this works. So why wouldn't this? Channel, not null. Well, it should at least show, like, even if I skip this, right? It should show unknown, but it doesn't. Yeah. Oh, there you go. So this works. So it's something here. I think this guild thing might be. I don't know. Whoops. Let's see. Let's double check. Channel. Wait. Discord SDK commands dot get channel. Channel ID. Discord SDK channel ID. Yeah. And then if channel name is not null, we're setting it. So is the channel name null? Probably not, right? But let me remove this guild thing because I have no clue what that is. Let's refresh. Okay, so unknown. So there's something, like something is failing here. Let's do this. Catch, and then we'll do the same thing here. Error, and we'll just, it's not a great way to do it, but hey, there's a way to do this. I have to refresh. Continue. All right, go. You're in a, okay, so error getting channel name object. Let's do JSON dot stringify, see what the actual error is. Yeah, this is not going to refresh it because the thing is it initializes the, like the Discord, the SDK is already ready, right? So if I make it, just refresh it again. Let's do continue. There you go. Not authenticated. There you go. Or invalid scope. Should have been an easier way to get to this error. All right. So let's see. Not authenticated. So we are authenticated. We know that, but we might have a invalid scope. That's possible. So let's see, what did they said here? Identify and guild. Okay, I'm probably missing guilds, but we can remove guilds, right? Yeah. Oh no, I have identify and open ID, and I think I have both of those here as well, right? Identify and open ID. Yeah. What if I remove this? Will this make a difference? I don't think it should. But now it will, well, it always reprompts you, right? Go. Continue. It should reprompt me again, but it's not. It's very weird. Do I need to... Let's leave the activity. Connect. Let's reconnect. Let's do it here. Not that it matters. Let's see. No, it says invalid scope. So let's do guilds. Let's select this one as well. I don't think there was anything else, right? Wait. Does it say? Should get better at reading documentation. So it's gonna set up a proxy. Wait. Did we set up the proxy? I think this should have been set up. Yeah. There you go. It is. And this one is, server is running on, we're here, 3001, right? Yeah, localhost 3001. Yes. So we have that. So that's fine. Where did they actually set the mappings? So they didn't explicitly set anything, right? So later. Okay. So we could do local. I don't think the local, maybe, okay, let's do this. Oh, that's why, right? Okay, I think that might be the reason, right? Maybe. But they said it shouldn't matter. Still the same thing. So what if we remove the guilds? Kind of don't like the thing that it's... well, there, it doesn't save me. What? Wait. Oh, okay. I don't think that really matters there. Which is weird. Because I should have used that URL probably. There you go. Yeah, that's odd. What if we do localhost here? Not that it matters, I guess. It's weird that I don't get prompted anymore. Oh, I didn't save the changes. So weird. This one, continue. Still getting an error. But it does say that the user is authenticated, right? Which is, where's that check? That's a user. There you go. Yeah, so if we get back the auth, well, let's see what we actually get back. Maybe it's an error that we get back. Leave using activity. Yeah, no, I did get access token description. Yeah, so I get the app. Where's the scopes? So we have identify. I don't know why the 0 1 is -1. I have no idea what that means, but we can't get a channel name. Is there like a different scope that we need? Let's see. Is that the guilds thing that we need? There you go. Oh, okay, now we're asking for guilds as well. I don't think. Oh, there you go. What the heck? Why would this is odd. One would expect that. Well, anyway, I don't know what guilds are, so maybe that's why. All right, so we have the channel, and then API to fetch the guild. Follicle using the combination. I don't have any guilds, so I don't know. I don't really know what that is. So looks like there's an API and one can call. Yeah. So what this one is doing here, I thought this would be like wrapped in an SDK somewhere, right? But looks like it's just calling a Discord's API directly and then adding the access token to get the guild information and then doing the same thing, just displaying it, right? Yeah, there you go. Congratulations on building sample projects, development guides, running the app locally. Yeah. Set up the mapping, open external links, open the application channel invite dialog within. Okay, let's try some of these. So getting an application, it's not granted. Nonetheless, it is available. This command opens the application channel invite UI within the Discord without requiring additional audit. Comment returns an error. It should only be called in the guild. Oh, so is guild like a voice channel or something? Or tied to that? Try get permissions. Open invite dialog. Okay, so let's see. We can do that. So feed, add a button and a handler. How do you do that? I don't know how to do that. Let's see. I just want to add a button. Show me how to add a button. Getting started. No. Hmm. Would I really have to write like add button, like create element or whatever to let's do document dot query selector app dot append child. Let's do create a button with a click. That's exactly what we want. Yep. Click me. Sure, whatever. And then over here, we'll do the open invite dialog. See if that works. Okay, and then append child button. Right. Go click me. So it's not opening anything. Maybe because I don't have. Oh, wait. Let's see what were the requirements. There are some requirements. So permissions. Okay, so it needs like permissions. So let's try this. So calling Discord, get channel permissions, and then if we can create an instant invite, then do this. If not, show warning. To and oh, actually, we'll see it in the down here, right? I need to refresh. Okay. Oh, there you go. Not authenticated or invalid scope. Wait, that's not the. Yeah, get channel permissions. Yeah. So we get back not authenticated. So we don't have the permissions. I don't know how to get the permissions. Outline. And this command opens without. Similarly, if the user has invalid permissions for a channel. Oh, there you go. Guilds member read. So we need that maybe. We can add that. We can add that here, right? Guilds members read. And I think we have to leave because this will. We need to. Yeah, there you go. So authorize. Or maybe not. Permission utils is not defined. Oh, of course. This one. I don't know why it didn't show me those squiggly lines. So I need these two here, here, here. Oops. Go. Oh, I need to refresh. Let's clear this. There you go. That's better. So I can basically invite people to the activity here. So it was the permission, the guild's members read. Let me add the note here. Let's do this. Allows you to pop up an invite dialogues. You could in your game /app have something that says invite people or whatever. Martin, what is the monitor setup that I have? No, it's not 4K. It's like an older Dell monitor, 30 something inch curve. It's really big. This big. But yeah, I was looking to upgrade. I actually did get a different monitor. I brought it home a couple of months back and I hauled it up like 3 sets of stairs to my office and then unpacked it. And then, well, I mounted off the old one, unpacked that one, set it up, and then I noticed that it was scratched. And I'm like, yeah, no, we're just returning it. I'm not doing this again. But yeah. Share moment. Share media to a channel. So the easiest way for an application to share media at this point is exit Discord CDN media URL. Opens a dialog on the client. Okay, requires no scopes. All right, let's see how this looks like. Oh, there's more code here. Wherever you store access tokens, let's do image. We'll add another button, right? Let's do, so this was invite me button, and then we'll add another one. Let's do invite button. This, yep. And then we'll add another button that will be called what? Share image button. Yep. Add event listener. Go, and we will do what? Read the image, save it as a buffer, save it as a file, create a form data, add that image as a file, and then post that to application ID attachment endpoint. So let's blindly copy paste stuff here. And then this, what this is, oh, this is just, is this uploading? I'm assuming this is doing the upload, right? So what is my application ID? What is the Discord API? I think it was somewhere. I saw that somewhere. Oops. Let's see. Where did I see the I think it's just discord.com/API something something. Like Discord, whoops. Discord API endpoint. Oh, there you go. What is this? Canary. Oh, it's discord.com, right? So discord.com/API/ there has to be a version here. Is it V10? Discord.com/API. Wrong turn. Yeah, I know. Discord API. Purple. It'll probably be here somewhere. Oh, it is V10. Wow. Application ID. I think we can find this in over here somewhere, right? My first activity, application ID. Oh, yeah. Should be in an environment variable for sure. Well, let's do this. Cost app ID is this in case I need it for other stuff. And we'll do it here. Attachment, access token. We got the access token up there, right? Is it just auth? What are we calling it? Auth? Oh, no, it's access token. Let's do, but what is this auth thing here? I think the auth has the access token as well, right? Let's see. Yeah, access token, auth.access token. That's what it is. So this would be auth. There's probably a better way to like set all this up. And we're here, right? Discord. Attachment response. No, it wasn't here. No. Here? No. Man, too many windows. No. Oh, it's here. Is it? Yeah, it is. Attachment JSON, and then we're getting a media URL. So we're basically, what this is doing, this is uploading an image to Discord CDN, and then it's opening like it just shows you how to open a dialogue in order if you want to. I think this is sending it to, sharing the image with someone else, right? So I think the use case here could be you're creating a game. You could you take a screenshot or something and then share it with your friends. Leave, choose. Oh yeah, I think it's 32-inch monitor. I think. Oh yeah, we have to add the button, right? Share image button. There you go. It's probably something failing somewhere. Of course, why not? Let's do this again. There you go. Refuse to connect, blah, blah, blah. Refuse to connect, violates content secure. Oh, okay. So it's the Discord. Oh, there. Oh, it's not the API. There you go. It's not the API. Am I missing? It's actually telling you what the API endpoint is. So it's discord.com without the version, but I think this one goes to the latest one probably. So let's try again. Yeah, weird. Looks like it's not. Because of course, I think. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, content security policy. It can't connect to this image here. That's fine. But this is how the share thing is. Hardware acceleration. What else do we have here? Mobile safe areas, application orientation. Yeah, like I'm assuming it's desktop, but doesn't have to be desktop, right? Could have this on your mobile device. Scenarios, full URL, external resources. Is this a sandbox? Yes. So you configure your mappings. Ah, there you go. Okay, I know what I have to do. I think. So if I do URL mapping, if I add another one, but let me just see how they're setting it up here, because that's exactly what they're saying here. For example, if your application has an NPM module that attempts to make a request somewhere, it will fail with the block CSP. And this is what we have, content security policy. It's blocking the IMGUR, right? That URL. To get around this, fork the library. No. Use our embedded patch URI mappings. And above the record, smooth transition to production, takes an array of mappings which will transform. Okay, so it'll transform anything. There you go. Okay, so I can do a mapping here that says slash, what is it? Image, this guy, and this will go to https i.com, right? And then, so the idea here is that I could do this slash name of the image and it'll resolve to that target without getting that error. That's my thinking. Might be wrong, but we'll see. Then a mapping. Then in your code, when initializing the SDK, yeah, if it's prod, then do this. And modifying for depending on laying my CFX and its helper. Okay. But do I need to? Oh, I probably have to change the. Let's try it. I'm gonna spend too much time on this. But, what was the? So the image URL would then be. Oops, not this here. It would be. Right, this, right, and the idea is that this would actually resolve to that. Maybe. Let's refresh. Activity. Go. Continue. Share an image. Oops. Share an image. No, it's not. Oh, but there you go. It's a different error now, right? So it's trying to post and it's getting unauthorized when posting. Oh, is the access? Oh, there you go. No, I thought it was access token was the. Wait, I am outputting that. Let's read it again somewhere. Channel. User is authenticated. There you go. User is authenticated. It is? Yeah, look at that. It is this auth, right? User is authenticated. It's access token, it's lowercase. Why? Let's see. You really shouldn't be doing this, but well, it's development, so it's not production. Definitely not in production. Don't log these things out. So on click, right? There. Oh, JSON. Oh, there you go. It does work. Yeah. Never mind. It did work. I guess it was just a matter of. I saw it open. Oh, look at that. It's undefined. Why the hell is it undefined? But it did pop. I just quickly closed it. I would have to read up on how the. Yeah, look at that. It does work. Yeah, so I'll share. All right, so it works, but I don't know why it. Oh, it works on maybe if I refresh or something. Anyway, the point is I would have to read on the life cycle of these activities to basically know when to reload something and how to update stuff and whatnot. But yeah, so I would probably have to add this as well for production. So in production, instead of, yeah, so in production, anything going to slash image UR would actually go to the actual URL. But so that was an interesting one. Interesting. What's this one? Available instance participants are any connected to the same. Oh, okay. So you can actually have people once they sign up. So let's go here. So once the SDK is ready. Oh, actually, let's do it that way. Yeah, that's much better, right? So we do await. There you go. Now we can say it's ready. And now we can await the append thing. This should still work, right? Or is there an other way where we should wrap the await somewhere? Oh, why did I click this? Continue. Okay, yeah, so it looks like it works, right? Invite me, yeah, that works. Share image, yep, that works as well. And then we can wait for, so we can actually get the connected participants. So let's just log them out. Should just be me, but you could actually subscribe, right? So let's do that. So I need types. We need events, and I need types. Go. Oops. What? Types. Just get a type out of this bed. Get. No, that's in the subscribe. Wait. Why don't I get this? Oh, I'll just ignore these errors because type annotations. Oh, okay. I don't have. Yeah, that's why. Because I don't have TypeScript. So who cares here? I do like TypeScript though. So let's go here. There you go. So over here, we would say console log, new user, new participant, joined. Go. So let's see. Need to refresh. Okay. Chosen activity. This one. Continue. It's loading. So there. Oh, let's do stringify. To know, like on start and on to like unsubscribe from events and all those things, right? Like this, you have to unsubscribe. Let's do this again. So we should see. There you go. New participants. Yeah, username, global name, avatar, flags, whether it's a bot, and then whatever other data. Yeah, so we got, it's down here. It's probably, there you go. Yeah, so you get the new participant. I don't know why it popped off twice. I only joined once, but anyway. Common images. Oh, you could get avatars. That's nice. Let's do that one. So I could show the avatar of, I guess, anyone who joins, maybe. Let's go down here at the bottom. And I think this will be the last thing that I did today. So user, how did we get the user? Oh, once we authenticate the user. So authenticate. Actually, let's do this in the authentication thing, right? It's here. So auth. Authenticate. So auth. Oh, actually, we do have it. Never mind. We have it. So it's just it's auth.user, right? Auth user avatar. Auth user. Auth.user. If it's set, then we're setting it there. If it's not set, we're just setting a whatever, some random one. Auth.user ID. And then we have the username. And then we can show this. We'll do creator div, whatever. Oh, div, an image, right? Avatar image. Alt, okay. And then we do, yep. Hello, username, yep. And it's added, append this, and append the text. So this should show my avatar and hello, my name. Let's see. This, continue. Or maybe not. Might be an error. No. Query selector app, append child. Something failing here. Okay. Let's do console log avatar. Auth user avatar. Let's try it. New participant joined. Oh, maybe we do it on new participant joined, right? Because I think that would be a better way, right? If you think about the, if you want to track or show all the participants in the activity, that would be a better way to actually show them there whenever someone joins, right? Yeah, so let's do this there. Actually, all this, right? And then we go to, no, there you go. So once someone joins, we actually don't need auth, right? We actually need, so how does participants look like? Okay, so it's just, oh, it's participants. It's an array. So it's basically, if I read that right, so this would be participant data, right? And then over here, we would get the first one because I only have one anyway, right? And we'll remove this. And we do have ID, right? ID is here. We have the avatar ID. We have the global name or the username and the user discriminator, whatever. Creating this, appending it to the child. And that's it, right? I think that should load the, show the image, unless there's like an error somewhere again. Oh, there you go. So cannot read properties of undefined, reading avatar. Reading avatar. So users is, oh, it's participants data. So it's like this. This, right? There you go. And then like this. I think if I remember the log. There you go. I don't know why I get it twice, but I guess you would go and have to check like, oh, is this user already in the list? Yeah, it is. And just ignore it. But hey, this is how you add, and there's hello, right? That's nice. And there's other guild stuff here. Activity metadata, art assets. Yeah, and I think this is the, oh, there's more stuff, but. And then game, SDK. Oh, there's a bunch of other stuff that you could, oh, wow. Okay. Oh, this is just the API, right? All the things that you could do, mute people, lobbies, deprecated. Oh, okay. Well, ignore it then. All right. Yeah. So we're going for 2 hours. I think it's enough. Uh, it's definitely interesting. It was interesting to look at this. Um, and I think there's a lot that could be done for people to actually help them get started with this, because it's not that easy. As you've seen, I've spent just an hour trying to set up everything. Uh, like, they do have these sample projects, and granted, we didn't look at all of them. Well, any of them, I guess, just the starter one. Uh, yeah, but it looks like these are fairly basic as well. This is mostly about storing state, I think, as this specific one, right? Yeah, I don't know. I've never used Vite before, and I'm not necessarily. Oh, you can do TypeScript now. Oh, you can do React. There you go. This would have been a better starter point, I guess, but a more complex one. But anyway, yeah, I think there's an opportunity for, as I said, I did get the domain, Discord app starter kit. There might be an opportunity for someone to actually do either a more involved or complex starter kit, or the other thing that one could do is create like custom, not custom, but create components, right? Like, everyone, if you're doing an app, or if you're doing a game, you'll probably need a list of participants, right? And why build that from scratch if someone already has that, or someone already built it, and you can just take it off the shelf and include it in your app, right? So that would be one idea, basically a component library, if you will, for Discord apps. All right. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend. Bye.